We are blaming it on fish. We are blaming it on your famous formalin. We are blaming on Swansea. Now,
It's not my formalin, it's Congress formalin.
My research can take you higher also. Be specific. Come on, speak up, Minister.
We need to tie up with institutes. For that, our Prime Minister has given us such a huge super specialty block. So much funds are coming. We are trying to utilize whatever we can, but we need to tie up with good institutes. And I think with the new Tertiary Cancer Centre taking shape, I think we'll be able to concentrate as far as research is concerned. And I also want to make a mention to Sri Reginald that I have talked to Secretary Health. Here we are trying to incentivize the students also. If they come out with something, it gets published in the national journal or it gets published in international journal, then we are able to give them that sort of incentives. This is important today. We are also tying up with Pravara Institute for various other things. We are also in the process of tying up with the University of Miami. We will definitely tie up with any top institute as far as to join us as knowledge partners.
पण एक जेन्ना पयलो टाटा हॉस्पिटलान वता पयल्याच फाटी 2-2.5-3 लाख जाता तेन्ना साद्या मनशाक ते 2-2.5-3 लाख परवडना. DDSY should have an arrangement with Tata Hospital where they should be able to give the same particular treatment or facilities to the Goikar who is going there.
Today, Tata is refusing to give us any kind of credit facilities. But in principle, actually, in one of the meetings, we had discussed, I think it was an informal discussion which we had, and where it was decided that we'll keep some sort of a rotating corpus with Tatas. I assure you that immediately after the session, along with our Director and Secretary, with the permission of the Honorable Chief Minister, we will, I think, some amount of corpus needs, because at least that person to what amount of money that he is sanctioned, he will be able to avail if we have some sort of corpus with Tata. We have also tied up with a company called iBreast, which is again for, before doing mammography, basically scanning of women. So we are targeting nearly about 1.5 lakh women this year. Goa Government is one of those only governments under DDSSY and Goa Mediclaim, where as far as bone marrow transplant is concerned, we give about 8 lakhs of rupees. No state gives.